I got a new one here. Yeah, bathroom. The floors. That's a good 1/2 inch to 1 inch drop. So get the cabinet out, and look what I find. This is 1/4 inch. I can get all of it. Look at this. 1/4 inch. Look at that. 1/4 inch crazy board on top of vinyl. So they didn't even fix the floor. They just covered it up. See right there? That's a good inch drop. That's a good inch drop. Yeah, not my job. All right, the stage 2 here. This is even funnier. Okay, so like I said, this is 1/4 inch. That's 1/4 inch plywood. It's flake board, right? So it's laying down here on top of this. Look at this shit. Look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna hold up my. Oh my gosh, that's even better. Look at the 2x4s. Just screwed up underneath there. It's not freaking drywall, man. Oh my gosh. I just love maintenance, guys. Oh, let's just glue it down. Oh, hey, what's up? Peace out, brother. Anyway, that's freaking hilarious, man. Okay, so for all of those do-it-yourselfers, now most people would look at this and be like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna fix that? I'm gonna have to call a contractor. No, I think so. Not gonna happen. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Okay, back to the bathroom project here. So I got everything, all these pieces, got all the stuff cut out. And on this style of flooring, we have the I-beam style floor joists, because that's about 16 inches from top to bottom, because all the ductwork and stuff is running here. So this is one of the floor joists, and then the other one's tucked up underneath there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run braces across, and that will give me my floor joist supports. Cut the toilet flange off. I have enough room to cut it off between the elbow and the coupling. So I'll just put new coupling in there and reconnect it. So not that big of a deal. I have to cut this little lip off, and we'll go from there. Have to straighten this edge up, but I'll get the floor joist in and take a video. All right, so we got everything tore out, and we got new floor joists to set across. Like I said, I went from one floor joist to the other underneath the bathtub, toe-nailed everything in. Everything's nice and tight all the way across. And I cut a new piece of plywood, the proper thickness. Everything's nice and tight. We do have the rot from where the toilet stuff had been leaking. This here is all solid. This is all solid. It's just surfaced. Let's see, I made a standing on it. This is all surfaced deterioration. So what I have to do, because there's vinyl going back down in here, is I have to float the floor out, and I'll show you that one. It's just a little bit of concrete powder mix. Easy peasy. It's like putting on lipstick. But I gotta cut the toilet flange. I already cut it off. I just got to cut the hole, measure the depth, and drop it in. No big deal, but I get that done now. All right, we got it all back together. We got the all the seams have been cut down, smoothed out. This is a water stop cement. This is what I usually use. This is pretty good stuff. It's not floor leveler, you know, like self leveler, but it's pretty good at that. Real quick dry. That's like 5-minute install, done. I mean, you gotta let it cure, but it sets up pretty quick. So anyways, so I got all the rough edges cleaned up, new toilet flange. You know, it's connected to the sewer line. It's all good. We just have to let this sit overnight, and they can put vinyl on it whenever. But besides that, I put a new sink and a mirror in, and should be good. Now that's solid right there, so we shouldn't have any problem. The other thing about this floor is this is an apartment. You know, this is not a high-end house or something like that. So on this one here, with the seams floated out, the vinyl that we're using nowadays is a floating vinyl. So they really just glue around the edges. And then they put the cove base back down around the edges, so it kind of caps it in. But I'll wait till they install it, then I'll use silicone all the way around the floor and then put the cove base down, and that will prevent water from getting out. Of course, then you do have the floor drain there, so you know, if you're going to get water on the floor, it's going right down inside that ductwork. So, but the point of it is to prevent water from getting underneath the vinyl and destroying it. So what I'll also do is around the toilet flange before I reinstall the toilet, I usually run a big healthy bead of silicone around that to help prevent any water from getting down around the edge of that plywood. It's just a quick 2-second fix, which can save you thousands in the long run. But like I said, it is an apartment. You know, it's nothing fancy, just another freaking apartment. All right, have a good day.